We have an interesting day here in Los Angeles. It's cold and raining. That never happens.
I know.
And you were out in the courtyard. There's a little courtyard here at the theater. And you had to come in. You were so cold.
I got chilly.
Yeah.
I got chilly, and I don't get chilly. But
Yeah.
So, yeah, no, it's fun. I love it when it's like this.
I love it like this, and I also love that everybody in Los Angeles overreacts.
Yeah.
If the temperature hits 62, people act as if there's a meteor headed towards Earth, and we're all going to die within seconds. They scream, they run, they crash their cars into walls.
They put on their, like, big down parkas because
Yes.
it's 58. You
Yeah,
know?
everyone here looks like a Nordic explorer. Anywho, tough guys like me that grew up in Boston, we don't worry about this weather. And tough guys do this all the time. This is just what a tough guy does.